This right here, it's a nice little chain, and I got a little dumbbell pendant because you know I lift weights and stuff like that. Before we get into that, I'm gonna give a huge shout out to this company right here, Aporro brand. Okay, listen, first of all, this was supposed to be a nice little unboxing review. My stupid self, I got a box and it had my name on it. I opened it like a child on Christmas Day. And yeah, cause I was gonna unbox it and show it to you guys so we could be surprised together, but that didn't work out. But basically, right, they make jewelry, all that type of stuff. Now me personally, I've never had a chain in my entire life. So like, I was happy. But yeah, they sent me out some chains, some bracelets, you feel me, some pendants. And it came inside. I wanted to do a nice little unboxing, but it just didn't work out. I don't know why it slipped my mind. I saw a package with my name and I just got happy and ripped it open. But yeah, it came in this nice little packaging type of thing, you feel me? Focus, come on, right there, you see that? Heat, that's heat. You got a little drawer right here. This is where they put my bracelet inside of, but it has some cards in there right now. What do these cards say? Like, cause you want to take certain things, it's got all their social media and stuff on there. Focus. All right, all this stuff will be in the description as well, and also pinned. Will be a pinned comment too. So if you guys want to check them out, get you some ice. You feel me? I didn't even show you the product yet, and you already want to go buy it? I know you do. But hey, wait, let me show you first, okay? Then over here, this is where it had the nice little chain that I'm about to show y'all, and it opened up, bang. Like you trying to propose to your girl or something like that. Come down like this. Bam, you feel me? That's the type of tip I was on. Like when I got this, I was like, dang, am I getting married? It came in a nice little bag, you feel me? Nice little bag. A nice little pouch, you feel me? Come on, it came with a lot of stuff. Okay, and I didn't even show y'all the goods yet. Calm down. It's a nice little chain, you feel me? And don't get it twisted. We about to become real rappers. I'm gonna turn off the lights. I'm gonna put the flash on. It's about to be glistening. Don't get it twisted, okay? Now, this right here, it's a nice little chain, and I got a little dumbbell pendant because you know I lift weights and stuff like that. And then we got a nice little bracelet. You heard? Again, y'all go see it when it come on. You can even see it's shining right now. Come on. But yeah, got a nice little bracelet. I'm gonna put it on too. Give me a second. This nice little tennis necklace. Now this right here is some heat. You put this on, the ladies gonna be flocking. You feel me? Get y'all a little closer. You heard? Oh, you see that ding-a-lingy, wingy. All right, y'all. So we got the whole rapper flow on. Turn out the lights. You see that John dancing? You did. I'm not even dancing, but my neck and my wrist is dancing. You feel me? Now look close. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that beard. Oh my God. But look at the ice too, you feel me? Yeah, this is some heat, you feel me? I just be walking, like I wore it outside, right? I was just walking down the street, people just like, ugh, calm down. And I was like, I know, stop, turn away, okay? So, yeah, huge shout out to them. First impressions, this joint heat. But yeah, overall, it feels great, looks great, is great. Check them out, link in the description. And I'll pin the stuff in the comments down below. So let's get right into this banger, you heard?